School's District Supervisor, Sir Apolio J. Luz, Principal 2. Beloved teachers, personnel of Mambusao Elementary School, supportive parents, schoolmates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good morning to all. It is with sheer enthusiasm that I value the honor of serving and working with you. To our principal, thank you so much, sir, for the trust and support you have gallantly rendered. To our Supreme Elementary Learner Government Advisors, Sir Manuel Marabe Jr. and Ma'am Janice Catala, thank you very much for your unrelenting administrative and moral support as well as your guidance in all of our undertakings. I am flattered to be given the opportunity to be working with you. To my fellow officers, you have shirked no responsibility whether required by our duties or asked as favor from you. Thank you for supporting us and being with us all through this time. To all teachers, thank you for the positive and constructive criticisms. I have learned so much from you and I will forever indebted you. Being an SELG president has been a fulfilling journey. I hope I have proven worthy of the trust you gave me. I am turning over this of responsibility to you, which symbolizes the duties and functions laid upon your shoulders as the incoming grade 6 pupil. Continue to protect the good name of our school. Nurture the flame and keep it burning, and strive to give fame for our dear alma mater. The key of responsibility bears the weight of task. Carry its weight and go on with the journey. We knew that you are willing and able to continue the cycle of work that we are going to left behind. We have a vision for our school, a vision of greatness. I exhort you, all of you officers and pupils, to nurture this vision and pass this key of responsibility on. So, I, Maria Isabel Monique Navarra, Supreme Elementary Learner Government President of Batch 2024 to 2025, by virtue of the power vested upon me, I hereby turn over this key that symbolizes your responsibility. To the new set of officers, you'll be the key to the future of Mambusao Elementary School. May each and every one of you will fulfill your roles and commitment with honor, passion, and pride. Thank you.
KG Mancilia, Supreme Elementary Learner Government, President for School Year 2025-2026. Accept this key of responsibility with full understanding of the responsibility and task bestowed upon me. I, together with my co-officers, do hereby pledge to uphold the ideals of the Supreme Elementary Learner Government by pursuing its core values and trust. I promise to do the best of my ability and to set myself as an example worthy of emulation. We will do the best that we can to be the agent of change of Mambusao Elementary School's core objective. We also look forward to amplifying the Supreme Elementary Learner Government, SELG, as the authoritative voice of the pupils. As part of the new leadership, we will seek to carefully develop camaraderie among teachers, officers, and pupils. Now that the key of responsibility had been passed on to me, I end this with the word as we acknowledge the grace and guidance of God. God bless our dear alma mater. God bless the new set of officers. May God bless us and preserve us for the great task that awaits us. Thank you very much.